نحمد ولا صلي الكريم أما بعد. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Let's Ponder with Dr. Suhail Anwar. If you like the video, please subscribe and tell others as well and help me to propagate my channel. Thank you. I would like to discuss today about whether we really understand Quran or not. Many people claim that we read Quran, especially I'm talking about those people who are not Arabs. The people who are Arab, obviously, Arabic language is their own mother tongue and they'll be able to understand the Quran. I'm talking about they'll be able to understand the grammatical aspects of Quran. The Quran is very deep. Even the Arabs might not be able to understand the depth of the meaning unless they have actually studied in that particular ayat. They might have to spend time. And the same is the case with, there are different ulama ikram who spend all their life studying the Quran. So I'm primarily talking about talking to those people who are non-Arab. So they say that, we study Quran and we understand Quran. I really doubt about this because when you really ask them, they've got different categories. Some people say that, I read Quran and then I read the translation as well, so therefore I understand Quran. I don't think that's actually the understanding of Quran. Other category of people would say that, yes, I read Quran in Arabic, I read translation as well, and then I go for the tafsir as well. Fine, they're a bit better than the previous group of people, and they might be able to sort of understand Quran better. Some people say that we read Quran, we read the translation, we read the tafsir, and we go to the alim, ulama, and we discuss with them. That's even better, obviously, because you are diving deep into the core of knowledge of Quran. The lastly, people are, which I like, and I think this is exactly what Allah says, are those people actually who read Quran, read the translation, read the tafsir, go to the ulama and talk to them and question them. If they can't answer the question properly, and if they think that they have already answered the question properly, but if the people are not understanding and they're not satisfied, they go back and read the Quran again or go to another scholar. So in other words, they're doing Taddabur. They're actually pondering on the verses of Quran rather than just reading the translation and then or the tafsir and then just going ahead with what that particular person who is translated or tafsir, just going ahead with that. In other words, you're actually imbibing the information which that particular person has given to us. It probably 99% will be right, but you're not adding up more information that, or you're not negating any of the information which they have given. You might think that, okay, this particular thing is okay, but this particular thing I don't understand. But if you accept both of them, you're wrong. Because Allah says, أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ الْقُرْآنَ. Why don't you ponder on Quran? Pondering on Quran is a very difficult thing. Or pondering on anything is a very difficult thing. That makes you actually a scientist. So that's the reason why if you ponder, and Allah has said to ponder, and Allah didn't say this to any of the ulama ikram. He said straight to you or me. Ponder on Quran. Think on the Quran. If you want, you can take a help. Get the help from people who are scholars. But do not stop thinking about the verses of Quran. That is wrong. There is another place which Allah says, who are the very wise people? And He said, who are the wise people? يَتَفَكَّرُونَ فِي خَلْقِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. Those are the people who ponder on the on earth and the galaxies and the cosmology. They are the people who are very wise people, who are good. So, in other words, Allah is talking about not only thinking about the verses of Quran, He's talking about go out and and see the world, study Earth, study universe, and take out the meaning out of it. So, what he's saying you should go out, study cosmology, astrology. On Earth, study geology or archaeology and things like that. So it's very important for us to understand the depth as much as our mental level give us the permission to do that. Inshallah, I'm going to talk more on this subject because I think it's a very wide subject. It's basically the concept of how to understand Quran. It's a concept. It's not like I'm going to discuss with any particular ayat. I would like to give an overall conceptual thinking, what the Quran would say and how to understand and how to address understanding Quran, inshallah. Please stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.